Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Plymouth GTX. Great car, guys. Mississippi car. I was actually a third wheel on a trade for a car here. A buddy of mine, Greg, was putting together a deal on a car he had, and he knows I love these cars. And so anyways, I ended up buying this car actually from him, but he took it on trade on another car. But gorgeous car. Love the color combination. It's silver metallic. It's got the black vinyl interior. And I'll tell you what, man, I love these cars. It's actually my favorite car in the world. This is a good car. It hits the road good. Got a little bit of performance in it, a little bit of cam to it. Again, I love the color. It's a striped elite car. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. You can see it's got the Magnum 500s. Recent body up restoration. He said there's not many miles, a couple thousand miles on the car since it was restored. And it's nice. I mean, it really shows good. Very nice driving car. Really tickled when I got it. But sorry, a couple little bugs. I saw a couple little stone pecks on it. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car, guys. Very nice car, clean, straight body. They did put quarters on it, I do know that. The underside's nice. I mean, it's just a good car. Pretty paint. Like I say, hits the road real good. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. You can see how nice. Normally when you look at these cars, the trim is not nice. The trim's really nice on this car. Yeah. Stone peck there. I think there's another little touch-up mark there. I think you're seeing a little, I think the guys left a little wax on it over there in the other corner. I'll try to show you that up close, make sure that's what that is. Tail panel's really nice. You can see how nice those turn signal bezels are. Bounce up here. Yeah, that's just a little wax my guys left on there. Sorry, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. Cooper Cobra, white letters all the way around it. You can see it's got the correct GTX chrome tips on it. Looking car. See, the inner fenders are nice. Power disc brakes. This is not the matching numbers engine, guys. I looked it up. It's a later model 70s engine. But this car would have come with a 440. They built this one up a little bit. It's got a nice little cam to it. Brand new Edelbrock AVS 4-barrel in it. Aluminum intakes. Got the stock exhaust manifolds. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. They have converted it to electronic ignition. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. You can see it's got the Mopar radiator with a shroud. Really nice car. When you crawl underneath it, it's got new brake lines. I mean, they did a nice job on this car. Good looking car. it's just, again, little wax. It's funny, I get people who complain when I point out stuff on a car, you know. Like that, you can see a little from in there on the dash. Blows my mind. You know, guy sent me a video today on a car, never got closer than probably 10 feet to the car. That's a little touch-up mark right there. But, you know, guys, I sell a ton of these cars, man, 300 a year. I try to point out anything that I see. Again, they're not, you know, I miss stuff. I'm not perfect, but it's funny how people complain and don't understand why I point out negative stuff on a car. None of these cars are perfect. If anybody's telling you that they're perfect, they're lying to you. These are old cars, man. Yeah, that's wax. They all break down, they all leak. You're gonna be working on them. I have ordered new mats for the car. Get a lot of those questions through ACC Carpets. Don at ACC Carpets is who I get all my mats from. I've also ordered the new soap dish there, or the cover for the dome light. Not a real fan of the steering wheel. It's aftermarket steering wheel, but you know, and there's also, I'm not real sure what they had there, but those holes should not be there in that center console. Factory dash showing 42,180. I'm sure that's 142. But he said there's not many miles on the restoration. He's put some Bosch aftermarket gauges in there. It's got an AM radio with the FM converter. I do know the original owner's manual's in the glove box there. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got an 8 3/4, just a stock. Oh, that's just a little piece of a rag or something. Stock gear, like a 323. It's nothing crazy. Definitely a cruiser gear. Again, boys left a little wax in there for you. It's got air shocks in the rear. There's a fill. Trunk's nice. It's clean. That's just a good car. I love these cars. Always been a huge fan of them. I believe at one time I owned the nicest Hemi car in the country. Car's clean underneath. Yeah, this should be a fun car. Turn the key and go have some fun. New sill plates. I always like the back seats on those cars. I just like that look in there. Seats are nice. Again, I'm not real sure what they had there in that console, but it shouldn't have those little 4 holes on it. Gauges are nice and clean. That's what I'm talking about there. I don't know what they had on there at one point. They must have had something on there. Pretty car. Good car. That A-pillar chrome's real nice. Look at that. Yeah, nice little cam to it. Car hits the road great. Plenty of power. Gauge works. I think everything else is down there. Yeah, see, it's holding good oil pressure. Backup lights work. That's a nice car, man. I'm telling you, that's just a good Mopar right there. I don't know how that works. I think you just push that button in. Yep, see what that does. That should change it to an FM converter or something. I don't know. Not sure if it's working right, guys. Blower motor. Blower motor works, guys. Wipers are functional. Yeah, that's just a good car right there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.